This is a Bosch washing machine. It's a front load washing machine with a capacity of 8 kg, 1400 rpm, and it's a eco silence drive. It has 15 options. Okay, and it's a front load. You can put the clothes here and you can lock it. And I have a water resource here, input, and outgoing pipe, and it's a power consumption power switch. And this it's for liquid purpose. If you want 1 cup or if you want 2 cups, I'm adding 2 cups for extra smell. It's a fragments liquid. And this powder, Ariel powder. And if you want 1 cup or if you want 1.5 as per your requirements, and you have to close it. And the power is on, and there are 15 options like cotton is about 1 hour, and synthetic is about 59 minutes, daily wash is for 45 minutes, delicate or silk is about 38 minutes, wool is for 40 minutes, drum clean for 1 hour or 10 minutes, spin and dry for 10 minutes, rinse is for 19 minutes, blankets is for 1 hour 11 minutes, jeans is for 1 hour 11 minutes, blankets is for 1 hour 25 minutes, kids wear is for 3 hours 33 minutes, gentle wash for 33 minutes, refresh for 42 minutes, allergy plus for 2 hours 22 minutes, so 50 or 30 minutes. And this option, drum clean option, is for cleaning the drum. When I clean the drum, I'll make another video for that. Now I am keeping the option for daily wash for 45 minutes, and press the start button. Make sure water is on, power is on, and start the button. Now it started. Now you can see the rings. See, water comes, and it's locked. You can't able to open the door. Okay, see you after 45 minutes.